Do you feel lonely and depressed, like the world has its back against you? Do the voices in your head tell you to milk the cat? Don't do it. That's not right. Here at the Ambrose Asylum, we can make sure you get the help that you need. We have a full-service staff available 24 hours a day. Our rooms are padded 360 degrees for your safety. And at the Ambrose Asylum, we serve only soft food with round silverware. So please, don't delay. Your health is important to us here at the Ambrose Asylum. Call us at 1-800-AMBROSE. That's 1-800-262-7673. 1-800-262-7673. Don't let the voices win. Those cheating bastards.
Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't.